because some wigs are just hat wigs, okay? And some wigs are just hat wigs, okay? You just have to deal with it. You just have to deal with it. I ain't wasting my points. I don't know about you, but I ain't wasting mine.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause I gotta know.
Alright, honey, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, let me go ahead and take off this hat and show you guys the wig as a whole, because the rest of this video I'm gonna be wearing a hat, girl, okay? So let me do that right quick. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this 360 at the beginning of the, you know what? No, I'm not. I want to go ahead and show you guys what this unit looks like without a hat on. And when I do my full 360, I'll take the hat back off and let you guys see it. But to me, this wig is a hat wig. And if you know me, then you know what I mean by that. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my hat back on, but I want you guys to look at it without the hat, okay? Now let me put my hat back on, okay? Okay, y'all, so let me go ahead and just give you guys the details and specs about this unit. So this unit is by Outre. It is from their wig pop collection, and it is a synthetic full wig. So there's no lace with this unit. All you have to do is throw old girl on and go, okay? As you guys should have seen in the beginning part of the video. It is in the style Chance, and it is in the color DX Ginger Brown. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I did not apply any heat to this unit whatsoever. And then it shows at the bottom all the different special colors that it comes in, and on the back it has a picture of the different colors. So it says the key features of this wig is great value, ready to wear and go, range of trendy colors and styles, heat styling friendly. Okay, so This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. This unit is a big head friendly in my opinion. I did adjust the straps, but keep in mind I am an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that, okay? Do with that what you want to do with that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling straight out of the packaging, I did not experience either. It is a short unit. I did cut a lot of hair off this wig because I felt like the top was super full and I didn't want all that. But when you get your wig, you do what you want to do with your wig. I just felt like it was too much hair for me personally, but when you get it, it's your wig. You style it however you want to. And yeah, that is pretty much it. It's not like a whole lot of hair. It's not like a whole lot that I can even say about it. It is less hair in the back than it is in the front. And honestly, I wish that the unit, how it is in the back, and you guys will see that better when I do my full 360 without this hat on, girl. Okay, I'm not gonna do a full 360 with the hat on. That wouldn't even make sense. But once I do my full 360, you will see that what I mean. But I do like the way the hair is in the back, and I kind of just wish I had a wig that had that type of look all over. But you guys will see that in a minute. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons and whether or not I would recommend this unit as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this unit is that, honestly, y'all, the wig looks like the stock card. This is the stock card. And honestly, I don't know what I know what I was thinking when I bought it. I thought I could finesse it. I don't feel like it's finessable. In its regular state. Now, I feel like a certain woman can pull this off. This woman can't, okay? This woman can't do it, but a certain woman can. I didn't have it, okay? She did not have it. And then this right here actually shows what the back looks like, and that is the length that I wish was all over the unit. And I may cut it a lot more and try to get it there, but for now, I do, that is my con with the unit. It's just, I felt like it was a lot of hair and it wasn't much. I didn't feel like it was much I could do to it. But I am nobody's beautician. And if you guys have any helpful tips and tricks, feel free to list them down below and help a sister out, honey. You know, I don't get offended easily, girl. Okay, so just let me know down below. All right, so that is my con. So my pro with this wig is it is extremely beginner friendly, especially if you want to wear it in its natural state. It is one of those units that you can kind of just throw on and go. I honestly was a little surprised that it came with combs, because usually units like this does not come with combs, but it did come with combs, so that was a plus. And I really like the back of it. So those are my pros with this unit. Okay, so I would personally recommend this unit, especially if you want a cute little wig that you can wear with a cute little hat. I feel like it is the ultimate hat wig. I think it is super cute with this hat. Honey, you can say that you ain't feeling it with the hat or whatever, girl. I feel like it is a vibe with this hat. I am feeling myself with this hat. I was looking a little cross-eyed without the hat, but with the hat, I think it is a complete vibe. So, and it's not a really expensive wig. I have the price listed somewhere down here, but it's not an expensive wig, and I feel like it's worth it with the hat. So it just kind of depends on you. Y'all let me know if y'all would recommend it, but I personally, I would recommend it. I would recommend it as a cute hat wig, honey. Just don't let the hat fall out, girl. Okay. All right, honey, let's do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Oh yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you are feeling this unit. If you're not feeling this unit, what you think about it being a hat wig. Let me know down below. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. The link that I will have listed down below is an Amazon affiliate link. So just want you guys to know that in case you like, no sis, I don't want you to get no coins. Word, I get it, but I want you guys to be aware of it regardless. I also have my Amazon store link down below as well in case you guys want to check out some other products or some other wigs that I have gotten from Amazon. Check that out down below in the description box. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I feel like I may have them out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. From Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style and we